Your drone footage looks amazing in the air, but then you transfer it to your computer, hit play, and nothing.
What?
It won't open, it stutters, or you get an unsupported format error. So, what happened? In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons drone footage won't play, and the easiest ways to fix it. First, the video file may not have been saved properly. This happens more often than people think. If the drone was powered off before the recording fully stopped, or the battery died right after filming, the file may never have closed correctly. In that case, try putting the microSD card back into the drone, power it on, and let it sit for about 30 seconds. You can even record a few seconds of a new clip, then stop recording properly. Sometimes that helps finalize the damaged file. Second, your footage may be using a codec your device doesn't handle well. Many drones record in HEVC or H265. It gives better compression, but it also needs stronger hardware and proper codec support. If your computer or media player doesn't support it, the video may refuse to play, lag badly, or show only audio with a black screen. Third, the resolution or bitrate may simply be too high. 4K drone footage, especially HEVC footage, can be too heavy for older laptops, low-end phones, or some editing apps. The file itself may be fine, your device just can't decode it smoothly. Fourth, the file could be corrupted during transfer. If the SD card was removed too early, the copy process was interrupted, or the card has errors, your video may become partially damaged. And fifth, the SD card itself might be the problem. A slow, fake, damaged, or poorly formatted card can cause recording issues from the start. So, what should you do? Start simple. Try another media player. Copy the file again from the card. Reinsert the card into the drone if the file wasn't saved properly. And if compatibility is the issue, convert the footage to H264 MP4. If tools like FFmpeg or Handbrake feel too technical, HD Video Converter Factory Pro is a much easier option for beginners. Just import the drone footage, choose an H264 preset, and start converting. In many cases, that's enough to make the video playable on your PC, phone, TV, or editing software. So if your drone video won't play, don't panic. In most cases, it's either an unfinished recording, a codec issue, a playback limitation, or an SD card problem, and all of them are fixable. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and check out the links below for more simple video fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.